How to screenshot on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most standard method is press the side button plus the volume up button simultaneously and quickly release both the buttons and the screenshot will be captured and the preview or the editing interface will appear. And the next method is launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the accessibility option you see there. And further tap on the touch option and then tap on the assistive touch option. Make sure assistive touch is toggled on, and now in the assistive touch menu you will be able to see the screenshot option. Now, the next method to take a screenshot is the back tap. So, open settings again if you have not already enabled back tap and tap on the accessibility option again. Now, in accessibility, you will see the option for touch. Tap on that and then tap on the back tap option you see there. Further, go ahead and enable the toggle button for back tap by simply tapping on the double tap option and then select the screenshot option. Now, every time you back tap on your iPhone, the screenshot will be taken. And the next way to take a screenshot is through Siri voice command. So if you have enabled Siri on your device, then you can simply say, "Hey Siri," and then ask Siri to take a screenshot. So these were a few ways on how you can take a screenshot on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.